everybody, and welcome to
Junior Science. We have a theme song now. We have a theme song now. We have a theme song now.
Okay, hi everybody. I hope you're doing well. And we are back with another fun and easy experiment for you guys to do. And today we're going to be talking about plants. All right, so as always in Junior Science, we like to ask Mr. Green, how would you get this white flower to have color on it?
Colorful. Colorful.
Let me science for a second here.
Oh, science for a second.
So what you're going to want to do is grab your flower and grab a crayon, and you're just going to kind of try and get those petals to maybe you put it on the I don't know.
No.
I don't know how to do this.
First of all, she didn't explain crayons being in the...
I don't know where you got those
supplies?
crayons from.
Yeah.
Supplies. But, no, good try, but that's not how we're going to do it.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
All right, so the supplies that you need for today are a glass or jar of water or cup, vase, whatever,
whatever.
some food coloring, scissors, and then you're going to want some sort of flower. We did a white carnation, but you can do this if you don't have that at home. You can do it with a daffodil, a white tulip, a white rose, or if you don't have any of those flowers, you can actually do it with a leaf. All right, so go on a little hunt. We did it with wildflowers once. We just, on our walk, we found some white wildflowers and we did it with that. Or get a giant leaf and try it with that. So let me explain what you're going to do today. You're going to have your glass of water and decide what color you want the flower to be. So Jameson, what color would you like for it to be?
Green.
Green, okay. So you're going to put, go ahead, you can open that up and put some green food dye in there. You can do like 4 drops, 5 drops.
1, 2.
You don't really have to like calculate it. That's pretty good. All right. And then you're going to take, that's good. You're going to take your flower and you're going to cut the bottom of it. I like to do it almost like a little like V shape at the bottom. So you really get the water in there. Okay? So you're just going to cut it and then put it in.
Yep.
That's pretty much it. So you're going to let it sit for a little bit. The nice thing about the carnations we found is it works really fast with carnations. We did this yesterday and it worked probably like a half hour later. It started to show some of the color.
Yeah, and within 2 hours it was looking really good.
All right, so let's show everyone our flowers from yesterday. All right, so
This one,
our blue one, you can see, and you can take the white one
yeah,
out.
I'll take the white one out for a second. So this is what it starts out looking like, and then it actually, you can see.
All right, you can see the blue around the edge. It's very pretty. It's almost like you did color it, you know, like you drew it on.
See, I was kind of right.
So now but we did a red one, and the red one came out really
Yeah, the red one was
pretty.
really neat. So if you look at the red, you can see the red much better.
All right, look at that. I mean, that's just beautiful. And look at the difference. And that was yesterday. We put it in yesterday, and it came out that quickly. All right, now the difference between the two, I think a lot of that has to do with how you cut the bottom. Also, if you put more dye in or less dye. But why does that happen? So what scientific process is going on here?
Capillary action.
Capillary action. And if you've ever heard the word capillary before, it kind of means veins. Just like we have veins inside of our body, right? Show us some veins, right? You got veins going there. So the veins in the flower are the water's going up, bringing that dye up the veins in the flower. And that's why it's also just part of it. So it really emphasizes the capillaries.
Should I try to do the super zoom again? You
Sure.
can kind of see it didn't just turn the whole thing pink. There's darker sections and lighter sections.
Ooh.
you can actually see kind of where the veins of the flower are. That's pretty neat.
So yeah, and the really cool thing about that is it's showing you how water travels up a flower or a plant. Now, as I said, if you don't have a white flower at home and you can't find one outside, you can do it with a leaf. And if you get like a big leaf, maybe like a maple, you can see it going up the capillaries. It's the same process. Just take that leaf, put it in the food dye with the water, and I think we did it a while ago, and it took about maybe 2 days to see it go up the leaf. But it's the same process. You can see how the water's traveling up. So it's pretty neat, and it's super pretty. So then we took these, what was a white flower, and we made them all colorful. So easy, so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and tune in for our next science experiment episode. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.